Welcome to Veda Online Classes. Veda Online Classes is providing the live online tuitions for intermediate CBSE, EAMCET, IIT-JEE, BITSAT. If you want the good marks in these exams, then please like and share with your friends and subscribe and activate the bell icon for getting the all notifications from our Veda Online Classes. So trigonometry, most important, very short answer question. Prove that tan 70 minus tan 20 is equals to 2 tan 50. Okay. So in this, I am taking here. So 70 minus 20 is equals to 50. So here, add applying tan on both sides. If you apply tan on both sides, tan of 70 minus 20 is equals to tan 50. Tan 50. Okay. Now tan A minus B formula in the left side. I'm applying the tan A minus B formula in the left side. So that is tan A tan 70 minus tan B, that is tan 20 divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. 1 plus tan 70 into tan 20 is equals to tan 50. Tan 50. Okay. So here what we did here, we applied the formula tan A minus B formula. What is tan A minus B formula? That is tan A minus tan B whole divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. 1 plus tan A into tan. Okay, so now here this tan 70 is as it is minus tan 20 divided by 1 plus tan 70. 70 I am writing as 90 minus 20 into tan 20 is equals to tan 50 is equal to tan 50. Okay, tan 90 minus 20. What is tan 90 minus 20? Just okay, so try to simplify here. Tan of 90 minus 20 is equals to, when we have 90 degrees, for tan we replace with cot. Okay, so cot 20. Okay, 90 minus is first quadrant. Okay, since all are positive in the first quadrant, so we get it as cot 20. So it is tan 70 minus tan 20 whole divided by 1 plus cot 20 into tan 20. Cot 20 into tan 20 is equals to tan 50 degrees. Okay. Now cot 20 into tan 20 value?
1.
Yes. Okay. So tan 70 minus tan 70 minus tan 20 divided by 1 plus 1 is equals to tan 50. Tan 50 degrees. Okay. So here it is tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So tan 70 minus tan 20. Okay. So here this 1 plus 1 is 2. This 2 I am taking to that side. Okay. Here it is dividing. If we take it to that side, multiply. So 2 into tan 50. 2 into tan 50. What we have to prove? Tan 70 minus tan 20 is equals to 2 tan 50. We have to prove this one. Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate maths of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Do you want to learn the mathematics from zero to hero level? Then this is the right place for you. Please like, share, subscribe our Veda online classes. If tan theta is equals to cos 11 plus sin 11 divided by cos 11 minus sin 11 and theta is in the third quadrant, then find the theta. Then find theta. What is given here? Tan theta is equals to cos 11 plus sin 11 divided by cos 11 minus sin 11. Okay. So now dividing by sine 11 or cos 11 in the numerator and denominator. Dividing by cos 11 in the numerator as well as denominator. Then we get it. Then we get it as cos 11 divided by cos 11 plus sin 11 divided by cos 11 whole divided by cos 11 by cos 11 minus sin 11 by cos 11. Okay, so that is nothing but cos 11 gets cancelled. Sin by cos is tan. Sin by cos is tan. So here 1 plus tan 11 divided by 1 minus tan 11. This is the value of tan theta. Tan 45 plus theta, tan A plus B formula or tan 45 plus theta we can apply here. Okay. Now, if we apply the formula, then what we get, ma? So tan theta is equals to tan 45 plus theta. Tan 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta is tan 45 plus theta. Okay, so tan 45 plus theta. Theta is 11 here. Theta is 11 here. Okay, so here the formula tan 45 plus theta. 45 plus theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, or tan A plus B formula also we can apply. Okay, but if we have minus, we get minus in the numerator plus in the denominator. Now this is equals to tan of 45 plus theta. What is 45 plus theta? 45 plus 11, 56 it is. 56. Tan theta is equals to tan 56. Theta is equal to 56. Find theta. Theta is equal to 56. But what is given here? He gave one more condition. Theta is in the third quadrant. Theta is in the third quadrant. 56 degrees means it we have in the first quadrant. 56 degrees is first quadrant. Where we have the third quadrant we have here after 180. After 180. So means it is more than 180. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta we take. Okay, so that means tan of 180 plus 56. Can we take like this? Check it once. Do we get the same again or not? Okay, if we check it here, when we have 180 degrees for tan, we replace with the tan. So tan 56 and 180 minus 180 plus theta. It is in the third quadrant, all silver teacups. Tan theta is positive in the third quadrant. So we can write. We can write it. Okay. So that is nothing but the answer is tan of 180 and 56 is 236. 236. So tan theta is equals to tan 236. Therefore, that value of theta is 236 degrees. The value of theta is 236 degrees.